for recording.
Allowed.
Okay. Only speed of boat is 12 km per hour in a still water when water is not flowing. But here there is a flow of water. So the speed of water flow is x kilometer. That we have to find out. When both are in same direction, so the boat speed will increase. So when both are in same direction means down direction at that time 12 plus x kilometer per hour new speed of the boat. When boat will sail in opposite direction in the flow, opposite of the flow when it will travel, so it speed will decrease. So down means plus, up means minus in opposite way, kilometer per hour. So direction, when it is down, speed is this. When it is up, speed is this. Going 32 kilometers, coming 32 kilometers. So this is speed is kilometer per hour. This is only kilometer. This is times in hour. Going time this much, coming time this much, but total hour 8 hours. I think they have given in question 8 hours. So this plus this is equal to this. Listen, cat. Hello.
It's your network issue. Sir,
Okay. Okay. Going time plus coming time is equal to 8. So here LCM will be 12 minus x. Here LCM will be 12 plus x. Here LCM will be 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Under this product of these two, under this product of these two, under this product of these two, under this rest of 2, under this rest of 2, under this rest of 2. Now this multiplied by this means 36, 12 minus x, 36, 12 plus x is equal to 8, 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Now see how very intelligently you can calculate. Up to this, up to this, everyone is getting the same answer. But now from here, without doing simple calculation, this into this, whatever, I don't know. 36 12 36x plus 36 12 I don't know. Plus 36x. So plus 36x minus 36x. So this is 2 times. So 2 times 36 into 12 is equal to this 8. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. Agree? Again, I want to say don't multiply. Don't just show the multiplication. Don't find out the answer. This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So here plus and minus cancel. 36 12 36 12 2 times. So 2 times 36 12 is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So this 8 now goes down. 4 2s are 4, 9s are. This 2 cancel. This is 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. X square goes this side. 144 minus 108. It is 36 x square. So x is equal to plus or minus 36. Whenever you are taking square root, always write plus and minus. So at the end you have to write speed can never be negative. It is not an accelerated value. So speed of water square root 36. So speed of water kilometer per hour. Without solving quadratic equation, without doing any rough calculation, we got perfect answer in less step. So this type of the calculation you have to adopt, but it will be in the grip by practice. Next question.
Sir, algebra page number 66. Practice at 3.2. Question number 6.
Find how many digits are natural number are divisible by 5. That no. Elaborate that.
Yes, sir.
Correct. First of all, find out 3-digit numbers from 100, 101, 102, 998, 999. These are the 3-digit number, but find out divisible by 5. We don't want this. Now, these are 3-digit number only. Now, which are divisible by 5. So, that is 100, 105, 110, that's 990, 995. 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 is not there, 9 is not there. So, first find out which are the 3-digit numbers. That is from 100 to 999. Then find out which are divisible by 5 from that series only. And now we have to find how many numbers which are divisible by 5. So we know A is equal to first term is this. Difference are 5, 5, 5. Last number always n. So n is the question, how many numbers? So I told whenever you have to find n, don't open the bracket, step by step do the calculation. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. This is 995 is equal to 500. N we don't know. D is 5. First reduce 100, so 895. Then divide by 5. Correct. This is 1. So n minus 1. N plus. There are 180 numbers which are divisible by 5. Next. Next. Asis allow.
Sir, all doubts are cleared.
Cleared? Okay. So tomorrow also there will be a doubt solving. Saturday also will be the doubt solving. Every day I'll meet you at least 1 hour. And if you want to ask in personal WhatsApp number, you can send. I will send you the video or solution or whatever, each wise or what. But solve your doubts. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask. Okay, but you concentrate very much on the base, because from that sentence only they will make MCQs. And every day check your Google class. In Google class also I have sent this around 120 MCQs from 3 chapters, and this 45 MCQs of this new chapter, fourth. So we have around 150 MCQs. Only I will change the number what maximum to maximum I have collected. So no new thing to find. So from 150 MCQs only x plus 2, I will make x plus 2. That's it. If x is equal to 7, find out y. So I will write if x is equal to 5, if x is equal to 3, find out y. So like that little bit change, but if the concept is clear, you can solve. And for because students are no more intelligent than teachers. So we are giving at least 1 to 1.5 hours. So what scholar students are doing very fast within 10-15 minutes, and then rest of the friends are calling, हाँ बता तो 7 में क्या है, 8 में क्या है. This time you can't do this. We will make 2-3 different paper. We will make shuffling question. If 2% will get the same paper, it will shuffle. The question which you are getting as a same seventh question will be in another paper will be 10th. So by telephonic you can't say हाँ बता दो 7 में क्या आया, A आया, लिख A. तेरा D4 डब्बे में जाएगा आंसर. Don't try. You check yourself. This is not a board exam, but if you will go through this 150 exam, 150 my MCQs, no, it is my damn challenge that if board will take SS board MCQs exam, you will get full out of full, and I am there also. So what the people will find new? And regarding filling of this paper, no, this time you have to be very, very, very accurate, because last exam, no, unit test, it was very hazardous, because to collect, because what we will get the response, no, that is time wise, not a roll number wise. So to collect the 6 subject mark for a single student, it is very headache, very lengthy work. So we have set a unique question, means information question. Only name, only surname, only father name. And lots of numbers are changed. So that also we will demand that what is the your WhatsApp number, what is your parents' WhatsApp number. So when we want to meet on a parents meeting or what, so that type, so clear cut. In division, write only division, don't write 10th. In standard, write only 10th, don't write 10th C, 10th B. Division separate question, standard separate question, because it is a unique for all. You can't understand this is the 10th standard, so I have to write only C. So from 5th standard to 10th standard, part 1 for all exam will be same. Every day you have to put same. For example, first we will ask standard, so only X, 10th. Division, A, B, C. Then roll number. If your roll number is single digit, write double digit, 09, 07. Always have a habit of that. Then surname, separate question, names, write your name. So you write full name. No, name means name only. Mukesh, Rakesh, Prakash, whatever. Then surname, then father name. So this time we are very particular, this minor, because from that only we can make out that in history is this, in geography is this, and algebra. So very easily we can, because we will create one subject sheet of 224 students. So suppose I will pick one student. So from this I have to find out maths. From this I have to find out science. So then only I can make the result. It is very like to give a 40 marks exam, no more than that to find out one student's result. So we are trying our best from our side. You also so write particular. What is the question, that only you have to write, and everything you write in capital. Online exam, where you can fill up this Google form, always you have to write capital, because the stylist mobile all are using different style of the front. So which we have entered, no, that is a simple capital letter A. Suppose in another front you will write A, not a second ABCD, but in first ABCD only you are writing A, but in a different form, different that front style, then also you will get wrong. In last exam manually I have tried to do it, but if 1 or 2 that is okay, but why you are trying that? Simple language, all things in capital, and for all the papers just plan yourself that every day, and math practice is must. Every day you write 1 hour, every day. Don't read, don't just go through the page. You will never be the master of math. Every day 1 hour, every day 1 hour. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow with more doubts. So today's session, I feel myself that no major problem, and it is a smooth and continuous. All the best. Thank you.